Welcome back to Primetime News. A woman narrowly escaped death Sunday after the collapse of a concrete stairway in an apartment complex in Thornton Park, St. Andrew. At least 50 people have been displaced. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson was on the scene and filed this report.
The usual calm of Sunday broken in Thornton Park, literally. This concrete stair collapsed and landed on another stair about 8 feet below. An elderly woman who was sitting on the structure at the time suffered minor injuries. She was taken to hospital for treatment.
Luckily, she was sitting down, because if she wasn't sitting down, if she wasn't sitting down, she would have moved fatal. The whole building come down with her, the whole middle set with the staircase and everything come down with her.
The police and firefighters were quick on the scene. They secured the area and began assisting the most vulnerable. The sick and children had to be lifted to safety below.
3 levels, from the second floor, the third and the fourth, persons are left inside. What is happening now is members from the Jamaica Fire Brigade, they are assisting persons to get on the outside.
But even as they worked, a few stubborn residents could be seen walking beneath the rubble to access other parts of the property.
We as police has to do is to ensure that we secure the scene and allow the necessary department to offer such assistance.
Miss Maxine is one of those who required help. She's not well and did not have the agility to run to safety like others. She described the ordeal as frightening.
I'm a bit frightened and scared. And when I see my daughter down here a ball, so I'm scared and me have nerves problems, so I couldn't come down.
Fortunately, only one of the stairways here collapsed on Sunday, but there are at least 9 stairways here on this living complex, and all 9 have structural issues. I counted several cracks in the stairways, which raises several questions for many of the residents here. Why has no money been allocated to fix the problem?
From 3 years now, last year them come down, so we get all the team from also. Them come and them have a meet with us right there. After them have the meet with us, them say to be fixed in 2 months' time, which them come September and say to be fixed by a number. 1 year now, and all know if something never happened, we wouldn't know. This we need help, man.
Mark Golding is the Member of Parliament for Southern St. Andrew, the area in which the Thornton Park community falls. He explained he has been trying to get the building repaired for 4 years. But the red tape in government meant the fix did not happen.
And the most recent correspondence from them was, I think, last Wednesday, gone, where they wrote, because there are 2 other schemes which have some problems of this nature as well. And they said for this one that the emergency procurement was blocked by the Procurement Commission. And so it has to go to limited tender. So it's a procurement issue within the government system that has prevented this from being addressed over the last year.
We were told by residents that at least 50 people live in the apartments impacted by the collapsed stair, and all now face an uncertain future. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.